I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Twitch account is active and email verified, because drops require an authenticated user. Next, sign into the game publisher or platform account you want drops for example, Riot or Epic, and keep that tab open. Then link the accounts, go to Twitch settings connections, or use the publisher's connect flow. Once done, Twitch can authorize drop entitlements to your linked game account, which is why linking is essential now. Now you opt into drops and claim them by watching eligible streams. On Twitch, enable the drops toggle in extensions or settings if available. This flags your account as willing to receive entitlements. Then find streams that show the game and the drops tag and start watching. Make sure the Twitch tab or app stays active and you watch the required duration. The system records watch time to grant rewards. If you want consistent credit, log into both platforms simultaneously so entitlements map correctly. Finally, claim rewards. Open Twitch inventory or the publisher's reward page and accept the drop so it transfers to your game account. If a drop is missing, first refresh inventories and wait a few minutes for processing, because propagation can take time. If still missing, disconnect and relink accounts or resync via the publisher's support tools. This often fixes mapping issues. Make sure you met watch time requirements, watched a properly tagged stream, and aren't blocked by region or email verification. Those are the most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.